yeah. Yeah. Well, it's because I'm afraid, dude. I don't want to get blown up in pieces. Oh. Go! Hurry up! Dude, holy crap, we have to put it out. Jesus God. Flip it on its side. Oh my God, dude. That sucks. Idiot, make it bigger! Hey, dude! Hurry up, dude! Pee! I gotta take a pee, man. Pee on it! Not working! I don't have to. Here, just roll this big cold wet log on it.
That's going smart. There's a freaking bottle of gas under it.